Hello dear students. In today's class we will discuss answer the following in about 50 words each of supplementary reading The Miser. First one, explain Surendar's miserliness. Surendar was a terrible miser. He was so stingy that he did not spend any of his carefully hoarded treasure. He bought the cheapest, the dowdiest and the most ordinary clothes for his children. For food, he stopped just short of starving his family. They supped on gruel most of the time so that more money could be saved. Second one, why didn't Surendar ask his wife to make a laddu? Surendar didn't ask his wife to make a laddu because she would make him a laddu, but she would naturally make one for herself too, and one for each of their 4 children, perhaps some for their servants, neighbors, and their friends too. The thought of wasting all that money on the ingredients made him quite ill. He decided he would say nothing about his longing for a laddu. Third one, how did Sakka, the king of the god, teach a lesson to Surendar? Sakka, the king of the gods, assumed the form of Surendar, came to his house when Surendar had gone out for walking. He then announced that he would share all his wealth with his townsfolk. When the real Surendar came, he could not believe his eyes. He took the matter to the king at the king's court. Sakka took his original form and warned Surendar to give up his miserliness or he would come back to teach him a lesson again. Fourth one, describe Surendar's ordeal in the king's palace. When the king heard the complaint of Surendar, he summoned the person who gave away the treasure. When Sakka appeared in Surendar's form, everybody was astonished. The king asked Vandana to identify the real Surendar. Vandana went to both of them one by one and asked them a question about generosity. Surendar, being a miser, spoke against the generosity. Although Vandana identified her husband, she announced that Sakka was her husband. Surendar was shocked. This was the ordeal Surendar had to undergo in the king's palace. Thank you.